Welcome once more to my science class. Still looking at bases and alkali. And today in this lesson, we are going to look at the chemical properties of bases. Okay. So the first one is that bases react with acids to form salt and water. Okay, that is a chemical property. When a base reacts with acid, they form salt and water. Okay, so now let us hear some points under this same property. The reaction between a base and an acid is called neutralization. So meaning when these two react, they neutralize each other. Okay, this base can be an alkali or a metal oxide. For example, sodium hydroxide, that is an alkali, reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce magnesium chloride, a salt, and water. So those are the chemical equations. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid is equal to sodium chloride plus water. Then we have magnesium oxide, which is a base, plus hydrochloric acid is equals to magnesium chloride plus water. Magnesium chloride, that is salt, plus water. Then two bases react with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. The other one is when they react with the metals, they form salt and hydrogen gas. A gas is the one which is being produced this time around, not water. Now, most metals do not react with the bases. Most metals do not react with bases. However, some metals such as zinc, aluminium, and lead react with strong alkalis to produce salt and hydrogen gas. For example, zinc reacts with sodium. Okay, that is when zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide and forms sodium zincnate and hydrogen gas. Then aluminium metal reacts with sodium hydroxide and forms sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. So these are the chemical equations. Sodium hydroxide plus zinc, they form sodium zincnate plus water. Then we have sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminium, they form water and sodium aluminate plus water. Then three, bases react with non-metal oxides. Bases also react with non-metal oxides to form what? To form salt and water, just like this, the first one. Okay, so for example, we have a reaction between calcium carbonate and carbon dioxide, a non-metal oxide. So carbon dioxide, that is not a metal, that is a gas, produces calcium carbonate, a salt, and water. So we have the chemical equations. Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide is equals calcium carbonate plus water. Then calcium hydroxide plus sulfur dioxide is equals to calcium sulfate plus water. Okay, so now let us look at the commonly used bases, the bases that are commonly used in our daily lives. One, we have sodium hydroxide. Two, we have potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and ammonium hydroxide. So these are commonly used bases. Thank you so very much for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pedagogy Learning with Mr. A Plus Zambia, for more educative videos. See you in the next class.